Hi, my name is Matt Fitzgerald. I'm going to show you what I and my senior design team did for our senior project. This is Nemsad. It stands for Near Field Electromagnetic Signature Analysis Device. As you can see, it's composed of an XY table, holds a printed circuit board, and what we have is a handmade probe that runs under the surface of the printed circuit board in a grid. At each point of the grid, it measures the near field electromagnetic emissions of the board. This is captured into a spectrum analyzer, which we then use MATLAB to take that output and generate either a table or a color map display. So just to run through the program quickly, user starts by typing in Nemsad exe, which point it asks you to initialize the probe location by moving the center of the probe to the bottom left corner of the PCB. Looks good enough. You have to know the dimensions of your board in inches, at which point you pick your corresponding resolution up to maximum determined by resolution of 1/6 of an inch. So here you can see I can pick up to 25 cells as a result of the dimensions of my board. Let's go with 18 in the X and 12 in the Y. This gives me a corresponding resolution in inches that I'll use to go from a color plot to the physical location on my board. We'll do a single frequency scan, 48.1 megahertz. So if you look at the board, you can see about every 4 seconds or so the probe updates, moving up a column, goes one column at a time until the entire board is scanned. And this will take a while. So we've actually already done the scan, and the output shown here is a color plot showing a region of interest between cells 8 and 10 in the Y and 6 and 8 in the X, and we can go back and find that that corresponds to a resolution, or excuse me, to an area about here. There's a particular integrated chip in that area and ground as well that could be of interest to a designer in this case. So that gives you an idea of what Nemsad does. Thank you very much for your time.